guys. Yes, we're doing stripings. Absolutely. We're on the way to the vinyl shop. Alright guys, here we are. We're at the shop. Christina Custom Rides. Christina is striping my car, and you might have seen her on episode of Nick's Garage there. She's the wife of the master mechanic Vasily at Nick's Garage. If you're not familiar with Nick's, you can check his website, and especially his YouTube channel. He's got a great channel, and I think he passed 100,000 subscribers. Just great content on old Mopars and muscle cars, and just a great shop. Met Nick a long time ago in 1998, I believe. I had the old Sabre T-Type, and he changed my fuel pump back then. But yeah, I'm with Christina, and we're doing this striping on my 2016 RT. And we decided to go with the Rumblesby stripe in gloss charcoal metallic. So this is the initial result on the quarter panel, the rear quarter panel. Yeah, one quick word about the stripes. I bought it at StreetGrafx, and big shout out to Sam at StreetGrafx in Arizona. Just great service, fast shipping, answer all my questions, made some suggestions when I asked him. And just like Christina said, the installation procedure, the document he sent it with the 2 stripes kit, they're just really fabulous, really well written and really precise, so no way about it. And the quality of the vinyl obviously depends on what you want, but this is the 1080 wrap film from 3M. Christina says it's a great product. Is it? Okay. So you can install it with water. I guess if you're
to place it, it'll use water.
But
it's placeable without awesome.
Oh, okay. Well, if you're a professional like her, you could probably manage it out. Alright, here's the Rumblesby stripe results. This vinyl comes in 3 parts. The rear fender, trunk, and then the other fender. The trick is to install the fender first on each side, so this way you can line up here the trunk and have a good line. Yeah, that's the hardest part. Actually see the gloss very well here. I like it subtle, and let's check out the side results. In the street. Good job, Christina.